Hello there and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to block a person in TikTok. First, go to the TikTok app from your apps list. Find the person whom you want to block. Then go to this person's profile. Tap on the three vertical dot at the top right corner. Now tap on Block from the drop down menu. A confirmation message will be open. Tap on Confirm to block this person. That's it. You just blocked that person. That is how you can block a person in TikTok. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.